Hi, welcome to CubeWriter. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install WordPress using Google Cloud Platform Click to Deploy Marketplace. It has simple 5 steps. Log on into Google Cloud Console and initiate WordPress Click to Deploy. By default, the VM comes with an ephemeral IP address, then I have to assign a static IP address. Third step, add DNS entry. Fourth step, install SSL certificate using certbot. Last step, I have to bring up the WordPress console and update the settings with the DNS entry. Then we can start using the URL for publishing blog and also administer the WordPress console. Let's go to the demo now. I am into the Google Cloud Platform Console demo project. I click on the burger icon at the left side to go to the marketplace. At the marketplace search bar, I type WordPress click to deploy and give enter. It gives you a few templates. I choose a single VM template to launch the WordPress. Google charges $13.61 per month to host this VM. It comes with default operating system Debian. It has all the packages that are needed to host WordPress. If you add additional RAM storage, you have to pay additional price here. Let me go and launch the WordPress VM template. It gives you a form. I am going to give the deployment name as CubeWriter blog. I can keep it as default zone, 1.7 gig memory. Then we have to give the administrator email address. I give support@cubewriter.com. Boot disk, standard persistent disk, default 10 GB. If you change it, you can see the price goes up here. For example, if I do 50 here, the price at the top will go to $16.97. I keep it at 10 GB because it's a demo environment. And I choose the checkbox allow HTTPS traffic from the internet. If you want, you can enable Stackdriver logging, enable Stackdriver monitoring from Google. I'm not going to do that. I simply click on deploy. It will take 2 minutes for the VM deployment to be complete. I pause the video, then come back. The WordPress deployment is complete. Google gives you the MySQL user password and WordPress admin user password at the right side. I am going to copy them and keep it at my notepad. Now I go back to the burger, click on the compute engine and click on VM instances. You can see the VM got created with the IP.77. It is ephemeral by default, so I am going to make this IP as static. I type external IP addresses and I can see the IP address 77 as ephemeral. I choose static. In the static, I have to give a name, CubeWriter blog for the static IP address. And I reserve the IP address so the IP will not change when we recycle the virtual machine. Now I go to my GoDaddy account and create a DNS entry for the external IP address .77. GoDaddy account, I am going to add an A record for the blog DNS. I choose A, then I give the host as demo blog. It will become demoblog.cubewriter.com. Then I give the IP address of the VM that we just created. Click on save. Now you can see the A record demo blog.77 entry here. This is it. Now the demo blog.cubewriter.com points to the VM at the Google Cloud. Next step, I am going to install SSL certificate using certbot. I go to the compute engine, VM instances, and look for the VM. Then I have to click on the SSH to open the shell. Okay, I have the shell. I have to find the version of Debian to choose the cert model. The version is 9 stretch version of Debian. Now I go to the certbot website to choose the steps. In the certbot website, I go to certbot.org and click on Get Certbot Instructions. I choose Apache as the web server and system Debian 9 stretch. Then they give you the steps how to install the certbot. I simply going to follow the steps here. I become a root, that will be easy. Okay, the packages are getting installed. I give yes. Okay, the package install is complete. I go to the next step. Sudo certbot Apache. It locks the email address. I give support at cubewriter.com. Then agree for the terms and condition. Here I give no. I don't want to share my email address, so I just give no. Okay, now I am going to give the domain name that I created at GoDaddy, that is demoblog.cubewriter.com. It goes and check the DNS entry, validate, and come back. Now there are two options: no redirect, and second is redirect. Make all requests to secure HTTPS access. I am going to choose number 2. Your SSL certificate install on the WordPress VM is complete. Now I am going to open the browser and make a change in the WordPress settings so you can start using HTTPS enabled WordPress going forward. I go to the WP admin using demoblog.cubewriter.com URL. It goes to the non-secure. We don't configure the environment yet, so I can still proceed. Here I have the username password to log in that was given by Google. So I type support at cubewriter.com, use the password and log in. Once I log in, I go to the settings here. In the settings, I am going to give the title Cube Writer Blog. Line DevOps knowledge. Here I am going to give the URL https demoblog.cubewriter.com. I do the same for the site address and everything is same. And I simply go and save those changes. Say it went back to demoblog.cubewriter.com, that is HTTPS. You can access WP admin using this URL that is secured. You can see the lock here. You can check it, and when you display the blog, you can simply use this URL, demoblog.kubewriter.com. You can see KubeWriter blog, DevOps knowledge. Good luck with your WordPress practice and knowledge. Thank you for watching.